Ready.gov has a list of a basic emergency prepared kit that you should have in the event of a disaster like a hurricane. But what if you're on a budget? Well, we're gonna go ahead and go in here with just 20 bucks and see what we can get. I think one of the first things that I would grab is food, at least a 3-day supply. That's canned food, which is right here. Very helpful to have the lid that you can just pull right off. If they don't have these, make sure you have a can opener. We have 1, 2, 3, plus 4, that's $7 left. Another item on that Ready.gov list is to include garbage bags. Now you might be without power for quite a amount of days, and you're gonna wanna be able to take care of yourself. You have to go to the bathroom. We are looking for flashlights. $3, focusing LED flashlight, not bad. So we're gonna get these AAA batteries here, and you don't really have to get the fancy ones. You can just get the store generic brand ones. Another thing on the list is a first aid kit. So you wanna make sure you have things like bandages. You also wanna make sure you have some antibiotic ointment in case there's any cuts or scratches. Also, helpful thing to have, antibacterial hand wipes. All right, we've got our basic emergency prepared kit. We're looking to not spend more than $20. You think I can do it?
Possibly.
All right, let's find out. 1944. $20. See, 20 bucks.
66 cents is your change.
Thank you very much.
For the rest of your day.
I most certainly will. So there you go. We were able to create our own basic emergency preparedness kit for under $20. Now, you may notice that we have no water, and that's because this place, much like many others, doesn't have any, but that's okay, because if you're at home, fill up a Ziploc bag with tap water and put it in your freezer to use for later. And as far as medications go, don't forget those prescription medications and any other important documents that you may need from your healthcare provider. In Greensboro, Tony Black, WFMY News 2.